nhớ trong ý trong nhiệt cái này chả phong yếm hoa mà tết cho ra trong xe đào tàu mua lúc xe hà lúc chạy lúc nhông làm chỉ bây giờ đua đào sầu có sầu chua sụt sụt hốt thế lúc nào chỉ muốn chỉ lúc nào cũng thò cha tới ý kho tiệt cho bây giờ nó cho chữ mong nhá la nhớ trong sáng nhá la tết nó hay tiệt nhớ trong lúc xong ở xiên nền gầu ở bây giờ phong họ vừa mua bị chữ lên là sầu quần nọ hậu bây giờ chỉ nhá la nó tao cán đây cũng mà mất sai ô lùa ăn kỹ lời vô lùi cả tao bây giờ cái tao bỏ tao nó tao bao mà phải trong phải tao hạt tết bây giờ cái tim mong nhá tao xăm lò tết thấy tết mì cả tết là cu chỉ tao bỏ tao nó thì bây mong nhá la để mua bị chân lên chơi tù là ô lao cậu chứ nó nhấp đỡ nó cũng thiệt thòng mất cha tờ tua đặc biệt là bây giờ bao thì bây giờ cái tim mong nhá la là giờ cho niệm cho gì cho nó cho chứ mong nhá là giờ bây giờ cái tim mong nhá la ô cảตัวเนาะตัวจื้อหรือตัวลาตัวกะตัวเต้ตัวเชอไอ้มัวไปเล่นชิงเชอตูไอ้กูยังมัวชาเตอตัวดอกเคเราเบสเราก็เบสเราตัวป้อเตียนือฮอมัวไปเล่นเชอตูลิจ่าไอ้ทอเจ้าเนี่ยเชอดอกกูปอใช่แล้วดอกกูปอมัวหมูลินดักอันเนาะไอ้มูลิจ่าเราตอกอันเตอไปใช้ทานเลยมูดัชจีเราเลยตัวเสาเจทอกะไอ้เป็นมาเลยชิงจีดัวเสดเนี่ยสง
100 Delegate Jiang Pao M Date of birth December 22nd, 1963. Hometown Nong Nong Commune, Tam Duong District. Ethnicity Hmong. Position Member of the Party Central Committee, 12-13 term. Secretary of the Provincial Party Committee, Chairman of the People's Council of Lai Chau Province. Head of the Delegation of the National Assembly Deputies of Lai Chau Province, Course 14-15. Member of the Foreign Affairs Committee of the National Assembly, Session 14. She is a member of the National Assembly 12-13-14. Delegation of National Assembly Deputies, Lai Chau. Delegate. Chapter A of. Date of birth, November 14th, 1974. Hometown Long Ha Commune, Thuan Chau District. Ethnicity Hmong. Position Member of the Standing Committee of the Provincial Party Committee, Deputy Secretary of the Party Committee of the Provincial People's Council, Vice Chairman of the People's Council of Sunla Province. Delegate to the National Assembly, 15. Session Delegation of National Assembly Deputies, Sunla. Delegate Kang T. Mao. Date of birth, September 5th, 1986. Hometown, La Pan Tan Commune. Mu Kang Chai District, Yen Bai Province. Ethnicity, Hmong. Position, District Member, Vice Chairman of Vietnam Fatherland Front Committee, Mu Kang Chai District. Delegate to the National Assembly, 15. Session Delegation of National Assembly Deputies, Yen Bai. Delegate, a duo. Date of birth, December 6, 1966. Hometown, Toa Tin Commune, Tuan Gao District. Dien Bien Province. Ethnicity, Hmong. Position, Member of Standing Committee of Provincial Party Committee, Colonel, Director of Dien Bien Provincial Police. Delegate to the National Assembly, 15. Session Delegation of National Assembly Deputies, Dien Bien. Delegate. Successfully. Date of birth, August 16, 1975. Hometown, Muang Hua Commune, Sa Pa Town, Lao Cai Province. Ethnicity, Hmong. Position, Member of Provincial Party Committee, Deputy Head of Organization Department of Lao Cai Provincial Party Committee. Member of the 15th National Assembly. Delegation of National Assembly Deputies, Lao Cai. Delegate, Trong Duong. Date of birth, April 24th, 1977. Hometown, Ta Van Chu Commune, BAC Ha District. Lao Cai Province. Ethnicity, Mong. Position. Acting Director of Local Department 2. Ethnic Committee. Delegate to the National Assembly. 15. Session. Delegation of National Assembly Deputies. Ha Jiang.